टाइम वेस्टिंग। मेरा नंबर आ गया। What is date today? It's 18th, right? Oh, मेरा नंबर आ गया। पापा मेरा नंबर आ गया। Oh. Before I start, let me tell you all. आज मैं सबकी बजाने आया हूँ. Please don't take personally. So guys, my name is Adir. I am from apps. I am from Eon. How many here are from Eon? Yo, Eon, yo. Yo. Why I said yo? Because Eon has something different architecture. I don't know how many of you have been to Eon, but there has to be at least two architectures for Eon. One to construct complete Eon, and one just to construct a washroom. What is the beauty about the washroom of Eon? I always used to wonder why they written emergency exit just before the washroom. It should be emergency entry, right? You have an emergency, that is where you go. But Eon told me why it is written there, emergency exit. Round of applause for Eon, please, man. Now, let me tell you how. The guy who was the architecture for washroom of Eon, he must be inspired from the Raja Rajwada. Because the gate of a washroom close to 40 kg weight and at the height of 15 feet and a broad 6 feet. If a person who's really having an emergency, he cannot push that. I bet only a guy in an emergency can push that. Nobody can do. So they have an emergency exit. Move to somewhere else. Okay. The second best part about the Eon is the security check. I have no idea why they check only this part. One fit from this, one fit this. What are we going to hide here? A guy like me can hide a 50 kg of a bomb on my head, which I will juggle. Why can't they check here? I absolutely have no idea. Now let's come to all the performance. Let me appreciate first of all the judges and audience because they have a courage to sit. If my performance wouldn't be here on last performance, or you can say 25th, 26th performance, I would have ran away in the second performance itself. Please don't take personally. This is the way I write. Or the singing. I cannot sing, but I know singing is inversely proportional to your face. The bad face you make, the good singer you are. And the second thing is directly proportional to the way you handle the mic. We want the judges also. If they are listening, I have no idea what pressure they are feeling. What is it? And I saw a few people were dancing here. Somebody from the crowd, I was wondering, man, what is exactly happening to you? Seriously. The second thing about the thing is, instruments. Instruments, if you wanted to play guitar or tabla, okay, it is directly proportional to the length of your hair. Now, why I tell you? Have you seen the Mocambo or Shakal playing guitar? No. They do not have hair, they cannot play. But if you see from the those who played here guitar, it is directly proportional to their hair. They don't want to show their face, so somebody can come and slap them. The third thing is mimicry. No, dance. Dance has remained, right? Dance is the funniest gift given by the God. How it is? Just stop the music and see the person who is dancing here. You will find a joker is running here. Seriously. I saw some Superman here. Then Chatti on the bed. It's amazing, man. After a few time I can see a Spider-Man also. Amazing. boss organization, man. If you are my best friend, your number is second.
Oh!
If you are not, your number is 13, 18, 15. If you take panga with me, you'll be last. Appreciation, man. And about the judges, I'm not talking about this because they are going to give me marks. A few judges I saw, a guy who was like looking like the audience, like candidate, like this. Suddenly a hot girl comes. Okay, now poem, right? Somebody have sing the poem, right? I have written so many poems. I'll come to them. Wait. Now the mimicry. I am a very bad mimicrist, but still I can just change the words the way they did in 3 Idiots, right? Not that bad. I can give you an example. I'll put a scenario in front of you, so it would be easy, right? So like Naseeruddin Shah, if you know his dialogue, a bloody common man, right?
Yeah.
What happened? Some चूहा goes to his place, उसकी चड्डी कुतर देते हैं. The scenario is चूहा जाके उसकी चड्डी फाड़ दिया सारा घर. Not the one he is wearing, right? So he is very angry, man, very angry. Okay? Now how he'll react? जब आपके घर में कोई चूहा घुसता है, तो आप क्या करते हैं? उसको मारते हैं, हाँ? ये 4 चूहे मेरे घर में घुस के मेरी चड्डी कुतर गए. मैंने क्या करना चाहिए? मारना ही चाहिए. वहां से फिर ह्यूमन राइट्स वाले आ जाते हैं. आपने चूहे को क्यों मारा? चूहे को क्यों मारा? आप है कौन? लुक एट द नसरुद्दीन शाह. मैं वही हूं जो आज बस और ट्रेन में चलने से डरता है, क्योंकि भीड़ में उसकी चड्डी फट जाएगी. मैं वही हूं जो ऑफिस जाने से डरता है. क्यों? क्योंकि बस में फिर से उसकी चड्डी फट जाएगी. मैं वही हूं जो ऑफिस में जाने के लिए निकलता हूं तो उसकी बीवी 10 बार फोन करके पूछती है, उसको लगता है वो चड्डी खरीदने गए. और मैं वो भी हूं जिसकी चड्डी कभी बरसात में, कभी ब्लास्ट में, कभी दंगे में, कभी फसाद में, हमेशा मेरी ही चड्डी फटी है. और मैं वो भी हूं, अगर किसी के हाथ में सीजर देखता हूं तो मुझे डर लगता है कि ये मेरी चड्डी ना फाड़. और मैं वो हूं जो नई दुकान खरीदता हूं तो मुझे सोचता हूं कि उसमें मैं नाम क्या रखूं, क्योंकि दंगे में कहीं नाम देख के मेरी चड्डी ना फाड़. झगड़ा किसी का भी हो साहब, चड्डी तो सिर्फ मेरी ही बची है. I'm just a stupid common man who wanted to save his chaddi. Okay, how many are feeling like, especially girls? Don't worry. After this, you will be having a more sleepless night. I'll make sure. So, the basic purpose why am I here? I'm here to discuss most interesting at the same time most critical problem on this world, that is a woman, a girl. Guys, yo! That's the point. So God has done one mistake. They have created a girl. Right? So girl has some features. Look at my left hand. Hey, hi. Hi. Lack of calcium. I have no idea. Hi. The second is they are never happy, man. You do whatever for them, they are never happy. तुम मुझसे बात ही नहीं करते, तुम मुझे घुमाने ही नहीं लेकर जाते, तुम यही नहीं करते, तुम वही. अबे क्या करूं? हमारे मराठियों में ना एक चीज है, हमारा जो नाम रखते हैं ना वो राइट्स पे औरतों के पास है, हमारी बुआ के पास. तो नाम रखते हैं ना उसमें बड़ा पॉलिटिक्स खेलते हैं यार. इफ अ गर्ल कम्स नो दे पुट देयर नेम मुन्नी. ओके, और जब बच्चा पैदा हो जाए ना तो पैदा होते ही 100 साल का लग जाता है. अप्पा अन्ना भाई से. On that day I was waiting for someone else, so he said let the appa come, let the appa come. I was waiting for someone else. Then after that I found a small kid, appa. And they said let the munni also come. So I was looking at that point. A 90 years old lady, munni. The worst part is shopping, man. Shopping is hell. Really hell. If you take a girl to the shopping, the killing question they will ask, am I looking fat in this? Am I looking fat in this dress? If you speak truth, you are killed, man. On the spot, she'll change the boyfriend. Another expectation. Well, man, all the women are expecting their husband should be like their dad. How can a husband become a dad, man? Can I go and marry her mom? Even if I go and marry her mom, she would be my stepdaughter. बाप बनने में क्या जाता है यार? बच्ची जवान हो गई, दूसरे के हाथ में थमा दो. Who is ready to spoil their life? Donate them. I'm ready to be your dad. I can donate you after some time. You find a partner for you. Oh, the mind. The mind is always working, man. Always working. It is always, exercising. They cannot stop. Even in the night, if I get up in the morning, my wife says, "Oh, you know what I dreamed yesterday?" चला रात में नहीं सोच रही थी. I never remember what I dreamed yesterday. Really, I have never dreamed. One thing women can't do, which we can do. I don't know whether they can't do or they just choose not to do it. That is sitting there for 15 minutes, looking at the sky and thinking nothing. I mean, nothing means nothing, not even a single thought. Take a camera and put into a brain, you will find a blank picture. Not even a single dot. The same guy was sitting with his girlfriend on a date and thinking something. Sorry, he was looking in the sky and thinking nothing. And the girl asked, "Hey Janu, what are you thinking?" He was honest. He said, "I was thinking nothing." तुम मुझे कुछ बताते ही नहीं. Why don't you share with me? Why don't you share with me? Why don't you share? Get the hell, man! I was not thinking anything. If a guy like me would have been there, I would have replied, "No, I was thinking about you only. The way you care for me." That was about the girl. Now I have some categories for the girls. Right? I can take you a girl who is an HR. No. One thing I forgot. From HR, I forgot one thing. Let me recollect. From Eon, when I went to the washroom, there was one very strange thing I saw. When I went to the HR department, I went to the washroom. There we have a toilet paper, right? It must be like this one, this size. It was this big. I was wondering, man. HR does the thing big, but here also. Why they need such a big thing? So same HR girl who got married and onto her first night with her husband. The husband goes entered into the room. वो घूंघट टोकरे पहन के ऐसे बैठी है. It is the most romantic moment for him. वो जाता है, घूंघट खोलता है, and he expects some good words from her. So look at the way she replied. "Have you set your goal for tonight?" What sort of a goal I should have said? Self-evaluate yourself first. How can you self-evaluate? Then I request you to follow the company's corporate communication guideline, timeline and template for the same. The company has a guideline, timeline for this. I was wondering, man. The second thing, for any internal and external communication support, you may require help. I required help from my honeymoon and not the external and internal. He was completely out of the mind. What is she talking about? You will find the process document and guidelines available on my portal. Process and guidelines for this, and it is available on your portal. And the funniest part is, if you perform well tonight, I can recommend you for the spirit of winning. That is a monthly summit award winner for this month. Correct, man? The movie will be for next month and previous month. Now a fat girl. I always scared about the fat girls. Really, I'm telling you. They're always eating something, man. And if you go, "No, I'm a diet. I'm on diet." And the second thing, the